Tá fíorachas orm míle fáilte chu rómh a chuirde úsla an seo hig áras an tUachtarán. I am absolutely delighted to welcome you all to Áras an tUachtarán today. And it took me a little while to arrange the weather, but I succeeded. So you're welcome. Yeah. And I have to say, it was lovely to meet people from so many different groups walking through the gardens today. Bhí sé thar a bheith speisiúil cosú leis an méid sin grúpi pobl éagsúla ar mo bhealach trí Ghairdín áile an áras.